Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. You know, the holidays are upon us. It's gift giving and gift getting time. I remember some lovely gifts I've gotten before. One time someone got me they got me this necktie right here, which I wear every day, and I love it very much. But you know, you get tired of things sometimes, and you would like to have experiences. And if you would like to give someone a memorable experience this holiday season, why not check out uplevelspresent.se. I hope I pronounced that right. Up Levels Present is where you can find all kinds of amazing once-in-a-lifetime experiences to give to your loved ones, like helicopter rides, or massages, or whiskey tastings, or spa times, or racing around a racetrack, something wonderful that they will remember for their lifetime. You know, last year someone got me that thing where you indoor skydive in a big glass tube. That was wonderful. Anyway, if you like to have fun, and we all do, check out uplevelspresent.se, and you can enjoy your gift as much as the person you give it to. This has been your friend, Professor Hans von Puppet, for uplevelspresent.se.